ClickBank is an online platform that allows vendors to sell digital products and affiliates to promote those products and earn a commission on each sale. The platform has been around for over 2 decades and has become a popular choice for entrepreneurs and online marketers who want to sell and promote digital products. One of the main advantages of using ClickBank is that it's easy to use and set up. Vendors can create and upload their products quickly and easily, and affiliates can start promoting those products just as quickly. The platform also provides a range of tools and resources to help both vendors and affiliates succeed, including marketing materials, analytics, and customer support. Another advantage of ClickBank is the range of products available. The platform offers products in a range of niches, including health and wellness, self-help, and digital marketing, among others. This means that affiliates can choose products that are relevant to their audience and have a high chance of converting into sales. ClickBank also has a robust commission structure that allows affiliates to earn up to 75% commission on each sale. This can be a significant source of income for affiliates who promote high-converting products. In addition, ClickBank offers a range of features and tools to help vendors increase their sales and revenue. For example, vendors can offer upsells and downsells, as well as recurring billing options, to increase the value of each sale. The platform also provides analytics and reporting tools that allow vendors to track their sales and optimize their marketing campaigns. However, there are some downsides to using ClickBank. One of the main criticisms of the platform is that it's a breeding ground for low-quality products and scams. Some products on the platform make false claims or provide little value, which can lead to refunds and chargebacks, hurting both affiliates and vendors. Another issue with ClickBank is that it's a highly competitive marketplace. With so many products available, affiliates need to work hard to stand out and promote products that offer real value to their